Living in Gilbert means enjoying sunny days, warm temperatures, and a growing community of beautiful homes. But with Arizona's intense heat, keeping your home comfortable without skyrocketing energy bills can be a challenge. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners can make is installing energy-efficient vinyl windows. These modern windows are designed to handle Gilbert's climate while helping homeowners save money and enjoy a more comfortable living space year-round. Designed for Gilbert's hot climate, vinyl windows are especially well suited for homes in Gilbert because of their natural insulating properties. Unlike aluminum frames, which can transfer heat quickly, vinyl frames help slow the movement of heat into your home. This means less hot air entering during summer and less cool air escaping when your air conditioner is running. The result is a home that stays cooler for longer, even during peak afternoon heat. Many vinyl windows also feature multi-chambered frames. These internal chambers trap air and create additional insulation, which further improves energy performance. For Gilbert homeowners dealing with months of high temperatures, this added protection can make a noticeable difference in indoor comfort. Lower energy bills. You can feel good about one of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is the potential for reduced energy costs. When your windows are properly insulated, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. Over time, this reduced workload can lead to meaningful savings on monthly utility bills. In Gilbert, where air conditioning is often running for much of the year, even small improvements in energy efficiency can add up. Vinyl windows with features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help reflect heat away from your home while keeping cool air inside. Homeowners often notice more consistent indoor temperatures and fewer spikes in energy usage. Keeping your home comfortable all year. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Vinyl windows help eliminate common issues like drafts, hot spots near windows, and uneven room temperatures. With better insulation and tighter seals, your home feels more balanced and pleasant, even during extreme weather. Many vinyl windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and secure locking systems that minimize air leakage. This keeps dust, pollen, and outdoor noise to a minimum while maintaining a stable indoor environment. For families in Gilbert, this means a quieter, cleaner, and more relaxing home. Long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Vinyl windows are known for their durability, which plays a role in long-term energy efficiency. They don't warp, crack, or corrode easily, even under intense sun exposure. Because the frames maintain their shape over time, they continue to seal properly and perform efficiently year after year. Another advantage for busy homeowners is low maintenance. Vinyl windows don't require painting or refinishing, and simple cleaning keeps them looking great. This means you enjoy energy savings without the added upkeep that other window materials may require. A smart investment for Gilbert homeowners. Upgrading to vinyl windows is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Beyond lower energy bills and improved comfort, energy-efficient windows can increase your home's overall value and appeal. Many buyers in Gilbert actively look for homes with modern, energy-saving features, making vinyl windows a smart choice for both current enjoyment and future resale. For homeowners looking to stay cool, save money, and enhance their home's performance, vinyl windows offer a practical and reliable solution. In Gilbert's warm climate, the energy efficiency benefits of vinyl windows aren't just a luxury, they're a smart, long-term improvement for any home.